Our planet thrives on the lifeblood of its waters, which sustain countless ecosystems and human communities. From mountain streams to ancient lakes, freshwater ecosystems pulse with life, providing habitat for diverse species and essential resources for people. Yet, these natural havens are under threat, their once clear waters now clouded by pollution and human negligence. Water is being transformed into a cocktail of toxins, endangering countless species and human health, disrupting the balance of nature. The crisis of water pollution is a stark reminder of our interconnectedness with nature and the urgent need for sustainable practices. It is a global challenge that demands urgent attention and coordinated efforts from all nations. We must act now to protect these precious resources for future generations, ensuring clean water for all. Water pollution, a silent but deadly threat, contaminates water bodies with harmful substances. Pollutants infiltrate rivers, lakes, and groundwater, disrupting aquatic ecosystems. From industrial waste to agricultural runoff, the sources of pollution are varied and pervasive. Chemicals, including heavy metals and pesticides, poison aquatic life and drinking water. Agricultural runoff fuels harmful algal blooms, choking out other aquatic life. Even plastic breaks down into microplastics, infiltrating the food chain and posing significant threats. Freshwater ecosystems, though small in area, support a high percentage of the planet's biodiversity. These ecosystems provide essential habitats for myriad species, maintaining the balance of aquatic worlds. Fish, amphibians, and invertebrates rely on clean water for survival. Water pollution disrupts food chains, alters habitats, and drives species towards extinction. The loss of even a single species can have cascading effects throughout the entire ecosystem. The consequences of water pollution extend far beyond the natural world, affecting every aspect of life on Earth. For billions who depend on fresh water for drinking, sanitation, and irrigation, pollution poses a direct and severe threat to their health and daily lives. Contaminated water spreads diseases, leading to outbreaks of waterborne illnesses such as cholera, dysentery, and other severe infections. Fisheries, a vital source of food and income for many communities, are threatened by declining fish stocks due to polluted waters. Tourism suffers greatly as polluted waterways deter visitors, impacting local economies that rely on tourism revenue. Treating contaminated water places a significant financial and logistical burden on communities and governments, straining resources. Water pollution is a human issue, impacting health, livelihoods, and overall well-being, especially in vulnerable communities. Addressing this crisis is about safeguarding our future, ensuring clean water for generations to come. The link between climate change and water pollution exacerbates challenges for freshwater ecosystems. Rising temperatures intensify the hydrological cycle, leading to more droughts and floods. Droughts concentrate pollutants, while floods flush them into waterways. Warmer water accelerates harmful algal blooms, creating dead zones. Climate change alters precipitation patterns, increasing agricultural runoff and sewage overflows. Addressing climate change and water pollution together is crucial for protecting freshwater ecosystems. The crisis of water pollution is escalating and demands a global response from all of us. From individuals to industries, we must all play our part in turning the tide and reversing the damage. Governments must enforce stringent regulations to prevent pollution and protect our water sources. Industries must adopt cleaner production processes, minimize waste, and invest in sustainable technologies. Communities must prioritize sustainable water management practices to ensure a secure water future. Individuals can reduce plastic consumption, support organizations protecting waterways, and participate in local cleanups. By working together, we can restore the health of our freshwater ecosystems and create a sustainable environment. The future of our blue planet depends on the choices we make today. Let's act now to secure a better tomorrow.